We want to thank NI for selecting our proposal and giving us a great opportunity. Our project is on temporal arterial plethysmography as a potential measure to prevent sudden infant death syndrome. Our aim is to continuously monitor sleep apnea using non-invasive and simple instrument and make it feasible to monitor the same on infants. We have exploited the relationship between vascular transmit time and inspiration to monitor apnea. Vascular transmit time is basically the time interval between the ejaculation of blood from the left ventricles and the time taken to reach the index finger. The vascular transmit time is estimated using PCG, that is phonocardiograph, and PPG, that is photoplethysmograph. The PPG is acquired using a LED and LDR setup, which is amplified using a BioKit amplifier and backup with a battery, and this signal is connected to the NI DAC so that the signal can be digitized and viewed in the system. For acquiring PCG signal, the simple mic is used, which is connected to the system through the sound card. The diaphragm of the stethoscope is used to acquire the sound signal and reduce the ambience noise, and mic is connected to the earbud. The PCG sensor is placed near the left nipple of the subject, and PPG sensor is placed around the index finger of the subject, and the corresponding waveforms are acquired using the following VI. The VI is as shown, and this part is used to acquire the PPG signal using a DAC, and the part shown now is used to acquire the PCG signal. The both signals are acquired simultaneously to calculate the vascular transmit time. These are the waveforms obtained, and the first one is the PPG signal and the second one is the PCG signal. This is the S1 component of the PCG signal, and its corresponding time is noted. This is the systole peak of the PPG signal, and its time is noted, and the time difference between these 2 points yields the vascular transmit time. The estimated VTT is proposed to monitor apnea, and this system could be effectively used on infants for continuous monitoring.